Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 20th February. And first of all, national news. India US making fresh efforts for practical cooperation in civil nuclear energy sector. Retired Brigadier B. Ed Mishra took oath as new Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Will make every effort to make life in Ladakh easier, PM Modi. Boost to India's wildlife diversity, PM Modi on 12 cheetahs arriving in MP's Kuno National Park. Law Minister Rijiju pitched for institutional arbitration, says AL can help arbitrators. Shivaji's courage, emphasis on good governance inspires us, PM Modi. PM Modi's gift to German Chancellor sparked demand for hand-engraved vessels of Muradabad. Artisan said. Emergency arbitration must be promoted, regulated in India, Supreme Court Justice Hima Kohli. HAL readies plan for medium lift choppers to replace aging Mi-17s. Indian origin Karthik Subramaniam won National Geographic's Pictures of the Year's contest. Millets to be served in midday meals of 12 districts in Chhattisgarh. Tamil Nadu moved Supreme Court challenging validity of medical exam NEET. And now some international news. Day after North Korea's missile launch, US hold air exercises with allies. China most challenging threat in space arms race. US general. Don't forget Napoleon. Russia told France Macron over regime change remark. We are bankrupt. Pak minister shreds colleagues amid massive cash crunch. French President Macron wanted Russia defeated in Ukraine, not crushed. US never again, warning to China in first meet since spy balloon. North Korea's war capacity proved ballistic missile that flies over Japan. Now some sports news. Sadio Mane returned to training with Bayern Munich. Varun Tomar bags 10m air pistol bronze at Cairo Shooting World Cup. The BCCI on Sunday announced Team India's squads for third and fourth test against Australia. Lecce won 2-1 at Atlanta on Sunday to take a big step towards Serie A safety. Now news related to business. Ola signed MOU with Tamil Nadu for a 7.6k crore investment in EV production. GST Council reached consensus to create tribunal, new rate cuts. AICTE approved technical curriculum to boost semiconductors MFG design. Australia to support two-way investment flows, official said. All GST compensation dues will be cleared, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said. Adani credit facilities expose collateral web full of red flags. News from Science and Technology. Moon Mountain named in honor of NASA mathematician and computer programmer. NASA tracked down 1600-foot oddly shaped asteroid as big as Empire State Building. And that's all in news. Thank you.